Welcome to Crazy Facts. Today we are going to check out how to make money using ChatGPT. As all we know, YouTube is easiest way to make money. So we are going to create video using AI and get monetized easily. First goes to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a short note about someone, then copy it to your clipboard. If you have no idea about the content, then you ask ChatGPT to create it. Here I ask ChatGPT to write a short about football superstar Neymar. We can use it for making a love letter also. You can see here ChatGPT has written our content. Copy the necessary part. Then goes to Pictory. This site works only on PC. But don't worry if you don't have any PC. Goes to Chrome and turn on desktop view to access it on mobile. Then create an Pictory account. It is 100% trusted site. When you create your account, then Pictory opens up and select text to video option. Then you can see a page asking for you write your script. Paste the script copied from ChatGPT and click on proceed and wait for Pictory to process it. Before that, Pictory asks for you to select necessary template for your content. Pictory asks for the aspect ratio of the video. If you are creating a YouTube video, then select 16:9 ratio for the video. After processing it, Pictory asks you that if you want to change it or add voiceover to the video, make the necessary edit. After editing and processing it, you can find your videos on my project, then download it from there and make money.